look forward to see my son in Christmas.
I like Christmas a lot and I like to spend it with my family.
Hello friends, Christmas is around the year and the atmosphere is full of Christmas activities. And today we are at Ikea. और यहाँ पे क्रिसमस बहुत ही डिफरेंट वे में सेलिब्रेट हो रहा है. वैसे ना सिर्फ Ikea बल्कि हेल्सिंगबर्ग में बहुत सारी जगह ऐसी हैं जहाँ की वाकई में क्रिसमस की ब्यूटी देखने लायक है. सो आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे Ikea में क्रिसमस एक्टिविटीज़ क्या क्या है और किस तरीके से ये लोग क्रिसमस को इंजॉय करने वाले हैं.
I always celebrate Christmas together with my family. We're not a big family, so we just now we're 3 people. We always start in the morning having breakfast with a special bread, vörtbröd, and Christmas cheese, and the Christmas ham. And then we go for a walk. Kan du berätta lite om hur du firar jul i Helsingborg?
Ja, jag firar den väldigt traditionellt med min familj. Och min son han kommer ifrån Norge så det är höjdpunkten när vi samlas. Och sen har vi julgran och julmat. Och
Kan du prata engelska också? Lite.
Yes. I look forward to see my son in Christmas and other relatives, and we have the traditional food at Christmas, and then we go to church Christmas Eve and hear all the beautiful songs.
My name is Melina, and we are in Ikea now, and we are face painting a kid's face because we have a collaboration with school, Drottning Blanka, and it's fun, so kids can have fun on the Christmas Eve. What you say?
Christmas a lot, and I like to spend it with my family. And I love when the snow falls and listen to Christmas music and eating Christmas food, and everything about Christmas is just very beautiful.
So friends, as you can see that the Ikea store is full of Christmas vibes, and this is the time when you can see the actual beauty of Helsingborg, the markets and the streets. So in upcoming videos of Swedeshi, I will try to show you the beauty of Helsingborg during this time of the season. But for this, you have to subscribe my channel, so keep watching Swedeshi.
Hej då.